to get that together. Can be together. You think me too. Hey everybody, it's Licia and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, I'm Alicia. You can call me Licia. Whatever you want, as long as it's nice. Like, don't be rude. But yeah, so thank you for tuning into this video. Thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you should like what you see and you subscribe to my channel. But yeah, so today I decided to do this really pretty Valentine's Day makeup look. This is at first I was going for something simple, but of course that's not where the brush led me to, so here we are. And this is like a really pretty, it's similar to something that I have done before, but not to the exact point. But I really like this look. I really like it, how it turned out. Yeah, so it's really like, if you don't want to be like too, this is not for like if you want for a natural look, but this is for like if you want to be a little natural and a little dramatic mix, like a little combo, a little swirl of extra, like a little, like, you know, it's levels, like, you know, you got the chill and you got the little litty, and you got the extra, and then you got extra. This is like a little bit between extra and litty. Like, it's like a little bit of a mix. So yeah, but this is really simple. I'm explaining to you exactly what I did and how you get this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you continue to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, sis? Subscribe. But yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so first off, I'm starting off with my concealer. I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and priming my eyes with it. Just to start off with a clean, even base. And I'm just blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. And now I'm just setting it with my Makeup Revolution setting powder. I don't remember which one it is, but it was the darkest shade. I'm gonna make sure I put it in the description box below, so check it out. And now I'm taking the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm taking this pink shade. I finally like realized how to get these colors to work how I want them to, because I remember when the first time I used it a couple videos back, like I was not feeling the palette, so it just takes a lot of shadow to get it to operate how I want it to. So yeah, but I'm just putting that shade all into my crease, and I'm taking these two shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using that to kind of clean up under my brow, to like feather the shade out so it can blend properly, and just repeating the same steps on the other eye. And now I'm taking this dark burgundy shade, like a reddish burgundy shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm putting it into my outer corner using that same blending brush. Just packing it into my outer corner. And now I'm taking this brown shade, also from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm putting it on top of that reddish burgundy shade, just to deepen it up a little bit. And I'm just patting that back and forth and kind of like just packing as much color as I can onto that area of my outer corner, kind of like the outer V a little bit, and just like doing small circular motions to blend it in and kind of slightly dragging into the crease, but not as much. But mainly focusing on the outer corner. And like I said, I'm just repeating the same steps on the other eye to make them as even as possible. But I do find a little bit of difficulty finding, trying to get my eyes even. Maybe that's just me. I'm pretty sure it's just me. But, yeah, I'm just repeating the same steps with packing the shadow in, blending it out, doing circular motions. The same steps, literally pretty much the same steps, to get it as even as possible and to get the same look on each eye. So now I'm taking that same concealer that I used to start off and like prime my lids. I'm using that to cut my crease. I'm just doing a half cut crease. I'm not going all the way over my whole lid. So I'm just doing a half where you about to see where I stop at. Kind of where like the darker shadows come into play. I stopped about right there and kind of blend it in to the best of my ability. I did not set this concealer though. I just let it how it is. So right now you see I am taking the blending brush that I used with the darker shadows and kind of going over that line of where I stopped the concealer. And now I'm taking this rosy gold pink shimmery shade and using the wet brush to put that on top of that concealer. This is probably one of my favorite looks that I've done so far. I've never really done a look specifically like this, but this is pretty much how I got the eye look for the most part. And I'm just taking that brush and blending it in. And now I'm taking my NYX felt tip eyeliner and doing my wing. I went ahead and did the other eye off camera just to speed up some time. So now that I've added my lashes, I'm doing pretty much my face routine. It hasn't really changed much, so I'm not going to explain this much. You just can watch and see as it goes through. And I'll come back when it's time to do the lip portion because it can kind of get a little confusing with what exactly I did to get the lip how I got it. So yeah. Okay, so for the lips, I'm taking the Anastasia lip palette, and I'm taking this pretty like nudie pink shade, and I'm putting that on my lips. So I'm just putting that all over my lips for the most part, without the liner at first. I did not have a liner, but I'm gonna show you exactly what to do if you don't have an eyeliner, and it works pretty much just the same way. So on top of that, I put the Fenty Gloss, the Fenty Glow from the Gloss Bomb on top, and I really didn't like how it was looking. So I took some eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow with the lip brush I was using, and I just used that to line my lips like with the outer corners, and just to like bring it all together to make it more, you know, comfortable and like pleasing to the eye. And that's the finished makeup look. So I really hope you guys like this video, and yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I really hope you guys like this video. If you want to see another Valentine's Day look, let me know. I do have a couple other looks in mind that I want to do, but if you have suggestions, I will definitely make sure I get those out to you as well. If you also have any other videos besides makeup that you want me to do, let me know, and I'll be sure to try to create that content and put it out for y'all. Thank you again for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on social media. It's going to be at the bottom of the screen right here at this bottom somewhere, and you can also click on my face to subscribe to my channel, and you can also click on this little box right here to watch the next video, because that's what you're going to do, right? So yeah, so it's going to be over here, like floating over here. You got option 1, subscribe. Well, it really ain't no option, because you're gonna subscribe because you like what you see, because you finished the whole videos. So subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click on the box to watch the next video. And yeah, so until next time, I will see y'all. Yeah, and she out. Ooh.